Okay, hey there, sports card fans. I have 2017 Allen and Ginter's World's Champion. So we're trying for Judge and I suppose Benintendi also. And of course, I forgot to. There we go. Forgot to get the plastic started. So we got 48 cards total because there are 7 packs, and 1 extra, so 8 packs, 6 cards per pack. Here we go. Pack number 1. Tyler Austin, rookie. And he's a Yankee, so that's a good pickup. Okay, Stephen Piscotty. Babe Ruth, what a day, insert. Matt Moore and Billy Hamilton. Pack number 2. Mark McGuire, Javier Baez, Chris Archer, a giant panda card, and World's Fair Monorail, Philadelphia, 1876, insert. So a lot of people don't, well, some people don't like Allen and Ginter because they put non-sport cards in, but I happen to like them. I think they're interesting. I forgot to mention, also got this in the first pack, Walden, Henry David Thoreau, Mini, and in the second pack, hold on a second. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Also got this mini of Freddie Freeman. And this Walden one was an insert. Required reading insert. I don't know if it'll focus. Maybe. No. Well, sort of. There we go. Okay, so let me make sure I didn't miss a rookie in that other second pack. No. I like that giant panda card. It's so funny looking. Okay. Base short print 1 in 2 packs. Base glossy parallel 1 in 5,680 packs. Allen Ginter back 1 in 5. Black border 1 in 10. No number 1 in 113. Oh, there's so many. Okay. Pack number 3. Alright. Chris Davis. We have a golfer. Wesley Bryan. Not familiar with him. What a day, insert Roberto Clemente. Jeff Bagwell and John Gray. And we have another mini World's Dudes. This one says Algerian lawyer dude. Dude fact. Dudes like this guy have taken a backseat to women over the centuries. Today, Algeria is among the most progressive nations in Africa. About 70% of its lawyers and 60% of its judges are women. Okay. It won't focus right on these. Oh, there we go. Algerian lawyer dude. Okay, pack number 4. Ozzie Smith. Albert Almora. Battle of Quebec. Revolutionary battles. Insert. Rookie. Manny Margot. And another rookie. Mitch Haniger. And the mini is Dexter Fowler. I like the minis. And we got Roberto Clemente on a regular card. We've got another rookie. Robert, and I've had this guy before. No idea how to pronounce his name. G-S-E-L-L-M-A-N. What a day. Kenta Maeda. Insert. Kenley Jansen and Carlos Correa. Oh, and Carlos Carrasco mini. So I'm sure there are some base short prints and whatever that I've gotten out of these packs, but I will have to check to make sure of what they are. Okay. We have track and field, Vashti Cunningham. Oh, no way, her dad is Randall Cunningham. Huh, how about that? Okay. Now we have Beer Mile Runner, Corey Bellamore. No idea who that is. And I don't really know what the Beer Mile is. Randall Grichuk. We have an insert. Sport fish and fishing lures. Smallmouth bass and small jig. And we have a classic Lou Gehrig. Okay, pack number 7. Zach Britton. Matt Wieters, I guess. Roger Clemens, What a Day, insert. Corey Dickerson and Mark Trumbo. Oh, and, I forgot. In the previous pack, Joe Mauer mini. And in this pack, Jackie Robinson mini. And one of these must be a, yeah. So you can see the minis have different backs. These two, have statistics on them, and these two have the Alan Ginter logo, which I believe means they are some type of short print. Let's see. Base card, mini short print, parallels, Allen and Ginter back, 1 in 65. Well, that doesn't seem right, that I got 2 of them. Well, apparently I did. Ginter back, black border, no number, Brooklyn back, glossy, blah 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 blah. World's Dudes was 1 in 13. Revolutionary Battles, 1 in 10. Fish and Fishing Lures, 1 in 5. What a Day is 1 in 2. World's Fair is 1 in 5. Okay, last pack. JT Real Muto. Jason Stark, sports writer, and another analyst, sportscaster, Sage Steele. I know her, she's great. Whoops. Okay, so we have a World's Fair insert, Ferris wheel. We have a mini insert, and this one is horse in the race. Oh, mini inserts. Oh, okay. Yeah. Mini insert, a horse in the race is 1 in 8. Cool. So it's a Bosnian pony. There we go. And the last card in the pack is Wilson Contreras. I'll just check real quick to see if there are any short prints. I don't see any base card short prints, but maybe I'm missing some. I'll just check. Base card glossy, base card short print 1 and 2. So I should have gotten some, but how do you tell what is a short print and what's not? I guess I will have to look it up. So anyway, maybe the short prints are the non-baseball ones, which in that case I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, if that's accurate. Excuse me. So I got 4 rookies. GSELLMAN, Henniger, Margot, and Austin. Got 2 minis with the Allen and Ginter back, 2 regular minis, oh, I'm sorry, make that 3 regular minis. I forgot about this one. Okay, 3 mini inserts. What was required reading the odds? 1 in 50. Wow. pretty rare. That's cool. They're the 3 mini inserts. Base cards. And regular inserts. Let's see, we got 2 World's Fair, 4 What a Day, 1 Sport Fish and Fishing Lures, and then 1 Revolutionary Battle insert. Okay, I think that about covers it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time.